Okay, let's see. Let me just perform my task first on this platform. Oh, oh, I call this free money. I call it free money. All you need to do is to just deposit $5. Join the $20 given to you and get $25 and use it to buy their VIP one. Then you will be making $2 every day by doing this simple task I'm doing right now. 5 times. So I have performed my task. My balance has increased. I've earned my daily income. This is it right here. I started it yesterday. This is my total income right now. By this time tomorrow, I get my capital back. You can see that I've already earned $4 already. So right now, I want to withdraw. Let's see if we receive this money or not. I want to withdraw. As you can see also, I have already got my capital back. Amount to account 3.700. So I started it yesterday. I've already got my capital back. So I withdraw 2 yesterday, and right now I withdraw 3.707. So I've got my capital back. Input my withdrawal password. Now I'm withdrawing to my Trust wallet. Let me show it to you. So this is where I'm withdrawing to. You can see that the only money I've received into this account today is $90.16. So this is where I'm withdrawing to. Let's see if I'm going to receive the money or not. Now click on submit. Application for withdrawal submitted successfully. So let's see. Transaction details. Let me click on transaction details and withdrawal. As you can see, even yesterday now is $80 that I withdraw. So today's one has gone also. So let's see. Let me see. Let me refresh the page. So as you can see, I received the money. Boom. I received the money. You can see it by yourself here. I received the money. I received the money. So you can see it by yourself. So guys, even Carrefour is paying. Carrefour is paying. You can see it by yourself. Very simple. Just follow the step. Register, get your $20, add $5 to it, making it $25, and we get it to $2 daily. That is all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now. See you on my next video.